Hello, my dear friends. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fine this time and you are best utilizing your quarantine time. So, actually, in a way, though there are so many negative thoughts, still we are at home and we have plenty of time to try out something new, something beautiful, something creative, and we can do the things we love to do, but because of lack of time, we can't do that previously, but right now we can do that. So in today's video, I'm painting some feathers. So I'm using acrylic for this because I feel acrylic colors they come out very beautiful and they mix up, they blend with each other very beautifully. So previously I have not tried feathers very much. I did some random sketches, some pencil work, some marker work like that, but I have not tried very beautifully on painting feathers on paper. So in today's video I am painting some of the feathers. I love feathers the most, too much, and they are pretty colorful, they are attractive, and they also remind us of the beautiful words, the beautiful nature. So let's start it. I feel the peacock feather is very beautiful, very beautiful of all of the feathers I have seen, but mine didn't come out that well. I think it's not up to the mark I thought so. Okay, but still it's good to try out. Okay, I'll try only peacock feathers in some other videos later on. Yes, definitely I work on that because I know it's not very good because the colors are not very vibrant, I think, but I'll do that again. Yes, of course. And I love this painting feathers today, so I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Have a good day and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.